Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to safely and affordably purchase a secondhand vehicle in the United Kingdom. Start by thoroughly researching the vehicle's history. Check the V5C logbook, run a vehicle history check, verify MOT history online, ensure the mileage is consistent across records, and research common issues for that specific model. When inspecting the vehicle, check both exterior and interior thoroughly. Examine the body for rust or damage, test all lights, inspect tire condition, and check door and window seals. Inside, test all electronics, examine seats and upholstery, verify dashboard warnings, and test the heating and cooling systems. Always test drive the vehicle before making a purchase decision. When negotiating the price, always research the market value beforehand. Point out any issues that need fixing to justify a lower price. Be prepared to walk away if the deal isn't right. Ask about discounts for incomplete service history, and always get price offers in writing. When finalizing the purchase, confirm your payment method first. Complete the V5C registration document transfer, get a receipt and sales contract, arrange insurance before driving away, and consider additional warranties for peace of mind. Never pay cash without proper documentation. To summarize, first, research the vehicle's history and check all documentation. Second, inspect the vehicle thoroughly, inside and out, and always test drive it. Third, negotiate based on market value and be prepared to walk away. Finally, ensure all paperwork is complete and arrange insurance before driving away. Thank you for watching our guide to safely and affordably purchasing a secondhand vehicle in the UK. Visit our store at payhip.com/lotusnest for more helpful resources. Thanks for your support.